back to my channel. So my hair, I just did like a braid out or whatever, but I really wanted to do this video because I was really excited because I looked on this website and I found that red ginseng is like really good for like fast hair growth and bamboo powder. So I bought some like for really cheap off of like eBay. It's really hard to find this stuff actually. And I found some, so I bought it, so I put it in this mix that I did, and I'm excited because I know it's gonna be really good. So I'm about to wash my hair, I'm gonna wash my hair, and of course I'm gonna tell you like the benefits of like everything. I'm gonna wash my hair, and I'm going to put the mist in, and I'll see like how I feel. I'm not gonna rinse it out after 30 minutes. I'm going to actually just sleep in it and see how my hair feels tomorrow. So, yeah. Coconut milk restores dry, damaged hair because of its excellent moisturizing properties. Coconut milk can be used as a scalp tonic for dry, itchy, and irritated scalp. This is particularly beneficial for restoring dry, damaged, and brittle hair as well as split ends. Coconut milk contains all the essential nutrients required for healthy hair, boosting your hair follicles, and promoting hair growth. So peppermint oil stimulates the hair follicles, it promotes growth, and rebalances the scalp. Tea tree oil can unclog hair follicles and has numerous antimicrobial and antiseptic properties. These properties all benefit the hair and scalp by removing buildup of dead skin cells, oil, and products, and increasing oxygen and nutrient supply to the hair follicles, and treating and protecting the scalp from infections. Flaxseed oil provides nutrition for hair follicles because it's rich in fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids nourish hair follicles for healthy hair growth. The deficiency in omega-3 fatty acids can result in dry, brittle hair. It's also rich in protein and selenium, both of which are necessary for growing healthy, shiny hair. Red ginseng increases hair growth and prevents hair loss. Bamboo extract helps draw the vital nutrients to your hair follicles, which does the job of fortifying and nourishing your scalp and hair strands. Bamboo allows your tresses to become more pliable, manageable, and softer. Coconut oil promotes the scalp health, fighting against such problems as insect bites, lice, and dandruff. Coconut oil moisturizes dry hair, adds luster, shine, and softness to the hair. It also prevents hair breakage and split ends, contributing to hair length. And some shea butter. Shea butter provides moisture to dry and damaged hair from the roots to the very tips, repairing and protecting against weather damage, dryness, and brittleness. So I'm first adding the coconut milk. If you don't want it watery, you want it creamy, you want to drain out the fat, which is like the juice. So you just drain it out in your sink or something. I usually keep the juice, but I already have some, so I don't need to keep it. Oh shoot, it's usually thicker than this to get melted. Shoot. It's supposed to look like this. I just did another can. Spoonful of that. 1 tablespoon tea tree. Ooh. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of the peppermint. Do 1 tablespoon of the flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of the bamboo, like a spoonful. So it's like a really nice consistency. It's whipped. It's like a conditioner. I could probably put it in a bottle and just pour it. So it came out really, really good. If you wanted like more whip, all you have to do is just add coconut oil. Coconut oil is what makes it whip. Or just make sure you drain out the juice in the like the fat is the juice in the coconut milk. And if you don't put the less Look what you put in, the more what it's gonna
Mother Duck would like to say hello to Sierra, Henry, Moira, and baby Gideon in Vermont. And
good way for you to like, to kind of like a massaging your head. You just want to do that. Just rub it all in. And you're gonna like really start to feel the tingle. Wow, this is an amazing. I'm loving it already. I love how it feels. I love how it looks in my hair. I'm pretty sure if I added glycerin in there, it would have been even more amazing. Just want to rub it all in. Make sure you put extra product on the problem areas that you have and the back areas that I have. My problem areas are usually like on the back of my head. So if you just do that. So amazing. Yeah, this is a really good mask and I recommend it. I'm like super excited because I have a ton left over. So yeah, try it. Tell me if you guys like it. I love this. This is like really amazing. My curls. I can already look and see my curls they feel really amazing. They look, and it's already curling up. So, I'll let you guys know in the morning. I'm gonna just let it dry tonight. So I will give you guys an update in the morning. That is beautiful.
Oh, yes. Thank you, get trees from every chocolate eater. The chocolate made from your leaves makes life a little.
How can we find the treasure?
So this is the finished product, and as you can see, my curls look really nice. They look really shiny. They're defined. I really like this mask that I did, or conditioner, whatever that I did. And I have a lot left over, so I will be using it for the rest of the week. So I'm excited. This is like, the only thing is my hair is like, it's not that it's hard, it just feels like doesn't feel, I don't know how to explain it. I mean, it's not a bad feeling, like, you know, it feels good. And like I didn't even have to use like a diffuser. My hair is like already like curled up. So yeah, so if you like this, then comment below, or if you tried it, let me know how you feel about it and your experience with it. Or if you tried the products yourself, let me know like what you mixed it with, and then maybe I can try it too. But yeah, so thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.